Welcome back to Andy's Guides. In today's video, we are going to show you how to add Google Calendar to Squarespace. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time here in Squarespace, I need you to click the Create Account option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Integrating Google Calendar into your Squarespace website can offer several benefits, enhancing both the functionality and user experience of your website. Okay, so once you are here on the Squarespace, I need you to hover to your Google Calendar because Google Calendar allows you to manage and display all your events, appointments, and schedules from one central location, making it easier for visitors to stay informed about what's happening. Now, for us to be able to for you to be able to do that, I need you to hover to the gear icon or the settings menu and click on settings. Now, I need you to select the settings for your calendar. I have like Andy Guide and birthdays. I'm gonna click on Andy Guide. Now here, go to the Integrate Calendar option on the left side panel of your dashboard. Now in here, go to the embed code because you can use this code to embed this calendar in a web page, which is going to be in the Squarespace. And of course, you can customize the code or embed multiple options. And from here, you can choose anything, one event from one another and could not be shown. And once you've done that, click on save and hover back to the earlier dashboard. And simply copy the entire thing here. Control C to copy and then switch over to your Squarespace. Now here, all I'm gonna do is click on the edit section. All right, so there's gonna be, click on add block and click on the code. All right, just wait for it to load. Now here, maybe just around here at the bottom, maybe. And put in, click on the pencil icon. There's gonna be a code. Now paste in the code that we have copied from the Google Calendar. You see, the calendar has been already embedded here. See that? Now you can drag this, obviously this one. Now once you have integrated your calendar to the Squarespace site, it will allow you to automatically update on your Squarespace site, ensuring that your calendar is always accurate and current. All right. That means visitors now can quickly view upcoming events and important dates, which can increase engagement and encourage them to participate in or attend events. All right. That's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next one.